Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a working redstone couch in Minecraft. So then, you'll need some concrete, you'll need some slabs, a piston, some kind of redstone powering. I chose a block of redstone, a rail, and a minecart. So then first of all, you have to build your couch. This is what it's supposed to be like. Right here, and then make sure you can fit two in there, right? And then you'll take your rail, put it here like this, then get your minecart, destroy this rail, and then ever nudge it so slightly off this rail. Now we'll destroy that. Now we'll get your slabs, put it here, and then we're gonna get our pistons, redstone powering, yeah. Then once we did that, I think you know what's gonna come next. See, it pushes the slabs through the minecart. We'll just go pick this up, and then voila, we have our couch. Now I'm gonna get in it. Then I'm gonna change view. See, look, I'm sitting in a couch. See? Alright, now thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.